Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to add a shadow and glow effect to text inside CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribing to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up CapCut and now I'm going to get back to my edit page here, and from here I want to click on new project. Now I want to upload a project, so I'm going to do this drone footage over a city and then click add. So I want to add my shadow and glow text effect. Now from here, I want to click onto text and then add text. And now I'm going to put some text in here where it says enter text. So shadow and glow. And now I get back to style. And now from here, I want to choose a font. So I'm going to scroll down. So there are free fonts you can use and pro versions. If you want to check out CapCut Pro with a free 7-day trial, I'll leave a link in the description below. In saying that, I'm going to choose this one here, Vigor. Now I'm just going to reposition this. I'm going to make it a bit bigger as well, so you can see the effect in place. Now I'm going to go to style, change the color. Alright, I might make this a yellow, I reckon. Click tick for done. Alright, and now we want to go to glow inside styles, and you got two different glows. So we got a pro, obviously you need pro for, or you got your normal glow, free version. So you pick which one you want to use. Pro definitely looks better, and we can change the intensity here too. So I might keep it on the lower end of the spectrum here. I might keep it at 5. So as you can see, we've got the glow, but we don't have the shadow. So at the bottom, next to glow, you've got background and then shadow. So now we can add a shadow here. We can add a white shadow, a grey. You can change the opacity as well. Got black. Black looks alright. And again, we can change the opacity on this. It's actually looking quite cool, shadow and glow. And we can change the blur, see how much of the shadow or the blur we want. And yeah, it's just as simple as that, guys. Once you're done, go ahead and export your video or image.